Lesson 1, Key Messages. What are key messages and how can you identify them? Simply put, key messages reflect the most important things you need the public to know, understand, or remember. When drafting key messages, start by identifying the important information you need to communicate in all circumstances. A key message could be, election officials are a trusted source of information. This is a message the EAC relays consistently. Some best practices to keep in mind when drafting key messages include: keep it simple, avoid overly technical language or jargon, spell out acronyms, support your message with facts and data. The public may not understand election-specific jargon or acronyms like polling place, logic and accuracy or LNA testing, UOCAVA voter, ballot marking device or DRE, tabulate, manual tally. Instead, you could use phrases like voting location, pre-election testing, military voters and voters living out of the country, voting machine, count, hand count. Remember to use language appropriate to where you are and who you are communicating with. For example, the term for a poll worker might vary from state to state. Key messages should be a part of almost all of your communications. Let's take a look at some examples of key messages and apply the best practices. The BOE is the best source for trusted election information. In this first key message, are all of the best practices applied? The public may not know who the BOE is. Replacing BOE with Board of Elections or election officials ensures that the public fully understands what the message is trying to communicate. Let's review another example. Election night results are not final. In the last election, Davis County processed 1,500 countable ballots received after Election Day. The Davis County election website is the official source for information on the status of ballots and election results and will be updated as counting continues. First, this example uses simple words that all voters can understand. For instance, instead of saying results are unofficial, it says election night results are not final. Both are technically correct, but voters may not know the term unofficial means results can change. This example also includes data to support the key message. Additionally, by mentioning the county's election website, the message reinforces that the county's election officials are trusted sources of information. Anything else? This key message does not focus on laws or regulations about how ballots are counted or complicated administrative processes. Instead, it focuses on the basics. Election day results are not final. Counting is continuing, and the election office's website is the place to find updated information. Now spend a few minutes thinking through what some of your key messages could be. Remember to keep it simple, avoid overly technical language and jargon, spell out any acronyms, support your message with facts and data.